This pumpkin, it was only one leaf. This, I think I'm going to get a whole bunch of pumpkins out of this, but I guess we'll learn. Because, well, I'm telling you, remember when this one leaf right here was the biggest one, and there was like 1, 2. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just going crazy. I don't know if there's going to be enough room. The jalapeno's coming in. Yeah. Anyways, just showing you a beautiful day on the rooftop condo. What are you doing, Carmelers?
I'm just watering some of this, but it's heavy.
Nice. Just get the front part, and I'll get the back. Yeah. Teamwork.
Oh, look at that. Like
look at her.
She's pepper.
Her peppers, she loves it.
This one too?
Yeah. Just watering. Oh, that pepper too.
Oh, this is the sweet. Well, I wonder how this is going to come out.
What is it?
The sweet purple beauty pepper.
Nice. Mm-hmm. I've never heard of it, but yeah.
Oh, the little tomatoes.
Oh, yeah.
The pumpkin.
Hey, you can't forget the pumpkin. That pumpkin's going crazy. But you don't have, this side you don't have to water that much because of that, the irrigation center that we got. We kind of got a little cheat right here because, well, the condo's doing their stuff and we're doing our stuff. So. Oh yeah, I'll get the back stuff.
Yeah, you could get that.
Oh, look at how cute she looks. Oh.
So, what do you say with the garden?
I'm just shaking it up, fluffing it up. How's it looking?
Oh, it's looking good. Look at those flowers, the jalapeno flowers. They look awesome.
And there's one little dude right there.
Let me get closer.
There you go.
Oh, so cute. Yeah.
And then there's some over here. See underneath there, right where my finger is?
Oh, yeah. Right there. Yeah.
And then there's a bigger one right here.
There you go.
It's humongous.
So exciting. Can't wait to have those spicy peppers.
And all these flowers are flowering too.
Yeah. And look at all the tomato plants here. And the onions are getting big. And I was amazed at the broccoli. Look at that. Oh, actually, let me go back here. The pumpkin. Look at the pumpkin.
It's
in
humongous
one day.
now.
I know.
Look at inside. It's like just went, and I'm pretty sure it's going to end up all the way across the block. But
I know.
Anyways, have a good day. Me and Carmela out. Say hello.
Hello.
We're just out here. I don't know if the beautiful sights and all that, if that does justice. Oh, there's the moon. You have a good day.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Hello. It's time to plant some beans. Good morning for it. Just wait and see what happens.
Found out, well, the plants that I transplanted, they 1 or 2 days they forgot to get watered. So when I did get them officially watered, they started coming back, but there's no, the time length that we have, I had to change them up. So I got a red beefsteak. And this is my kind of first failure, but you know what? I'm learning as it goes. Next year, I'm literally going to have everything ready for May 2-4. We're talking bigger plants than this. I'm done with it. I know when to start up here.
It's looking good, though. Garden's looking really good. Our tomato garden.
First year, I guess you're going to learn.
Mm-hmm. We have a bunch of different types of tomatoes growing. The beefsteak, the Juliets.
Red beefsteak. We got Better Boy because somebody flipped it.
And the I think Jet Star as well. And the multicolored ones too.
Rainbow blend tomatoes. The ones that we planted last year that I got from Carmela's mom just went crazy. So, you know, I did the steps and all that. But if you're not always here, you can't always watch them. So, eventually, people throw these out.
And you can reuse them.
And we just reuse them. They don't have to look pretty. Can't believe the camera's working. It's working again. This morning, I don't know if this camera's gonna hold out because it went through a big rainstorm. So we did onions. Look at the onions. They just taken off. Planted all these. This is the onions that I got for $1.99. Amazing. So they're kicking. Well, here comes the rain again. Once again, here comes the rain.
I'm just sitting here.